When it comes to early retirement, most people face two big hurdles. Number one, how do you access your money before age 59 and a half? And number two, how do you make sure it lasts? Here's where two key IRS rules come into play. Rule 55. If you separate from service at age 55 or older, you can access funds from your current 401k without penalty. That's why we may not want to roll the entire balance over right away. Many people roll a larger portion into an IRA for broader investment options and growth, while leaving just enough behind in the 401k to bridge the income gap until age 59 and a half. This gives you flexibility, access now, and growth for the future. Rule 72T. This allows you to take substantially equal periodic payments from retirement accounts before the age of 59 and a half without penalty. But it locks you into a strict schedule, so careful planning is important. At Brookstone Financial, we help clients design retirement strategies that balance access, growth, and long-term security. For more information or to meet with a Brookstone advisor for a complimentary appointment, visit our website at brookstonefinancial.com and click Let's Get Started in the upper right-hand corner. You can also give us a call anytime at 812-288-9000.